pray for the day. I pray up in every way. Yeah, but I'm still human, I still make mistakes. Yeah, I still open up my eyes when I wake. I still have the breakfast what break. Yeah, and it's definitely in stake. You know that I drink my shake, yeah. I will leave a fruit in my shake, yeah. You know it's the Rasta Rapper USA. Yeah, you know the music that I play every day. It's like a bullet out the Kennedy. It's like when the voice stuck on reality. It's like when you have to stop me on replay. This is how we go when we go into another flow. It doesn't really matter where we really wanna go, cause you don't know that we do this like we're robotic, like I am on steroids, or like I am on antibiotic. Remember that we doing this bionic, bubonic, like the plague, and we ain't afraid. We do this all for days. Know that my bars lethal just like AIDS, or like this virus that is going over our days. Know that my bars them never ever stray into this day. We pray for another day in every other way. Hope for this shit to live, so we can go out on holiday and have fun with the money that we work hard to get and gain. And when we play and make them know we will fly out on a plane, it's insane. Like when I'm on a train, again down memory lane, don't make my mind strain. I don't want to have a migraine into my brain. How do you let out the pain? Give me a rap beat and let me just let out my vibe, simple and plain. Here I go again, running on the ground, round and round, round and round, jumping up and down on the sound. It skip up in around like a fish flip flopping all around, out of water when they dying on the ground. Down, you know, turn your front upside down. Yeah, we're walking around the town with our mask right up, cause you know we can't be down. I'm renowned, well, we don't listen to my sound. When the people on MTV announce, who is that crazy rap youth? Make you know that I'm coming up in a crazy rap suit. Yeah, make the people dance. Put away your 9mm, little youth. It's time to have fun and not to shoot. Remember, it's your birthright, it's your root. Yeah, infectious like a rotten tooth that never get treated by the dentist. You know that my bars never miss. You know that his music I practice is like the North Fist. You never feel it when it hit, but you feel it next week when you get the hit onto them. When your brain start to split, and when you have to go and replay it, it's the shit. You know it's verbal vomit, I do it all the time. There is no cure for it, you know it's real. You know it's sign and seal, and I'm the same one that say hungry kids should get the meal. And I should get a big record deal with myself, not with Sony, for £1 million and 2 pony. I'm riding around Shetland, cause you know me, I'm a don't say cheese and don't say please, cause some people say they like the veiny one. That is kinda make me feel queasy. Tell them oh please, flying from England to the West Indies is so damn easy. So take it easy and take it easy. These fools moving weight overseas like El Chapo, but you know I'm not on that though, bro. I'm more on a chica that is guapa. You know that see you later. They're the player hater, and I'm the instigator, the initiator. I'm the real roots rapper. I tell you that always, mama, I do it proper. Together, you and papa did make something proper. It was me equal the Rasta Rapper, EE equal MC Square. You know that I prepare. You know that I will always be out there. I'm a simple dude. You know I don't drink wine. I rather drink on a beer and just burp it back and just piss it out somewhere out there, out in the atmosphere. I make the dirt drink it up and watch that shit disappear. Sorry for all the people that my face did appear that never really want what I said right there, but it's clear and it's evident everywhere. Inhaling and exhaling the breeze. Yeah, please, take it easy, cause you don't know. Yeah, bless me up if I etchum and I sneeze. You see this tissue, you know it's spread with, yo, please. Oh please, never see Rasta Rapper doing it like these. Oh these, oh please, them never see Rasta Rapper doing it like these. Burning all kind of trees, I'm telling you about keys on top of keys, proper high grade from Jamaica especially. What do you know about the weed that come from Sicily? It's crazy, They don't know about me, you know that freestyle for 5 minutes is so easy. Damn, they should really record me and share it to everybody and make it virally. Cause you don't know, I do it verbally. Cause you don't know I do it for my dead family. Cause the bread gone, but mine still is with me. So you know I do it for everyone in my neighbor country and my neighboring country. All brand, yeah, whether you're from north, east, south, west, whether you're Chinese or where from or you're white, you don't know, I hope wherever you are, you're alright. Yo, you know that I'm popping it off on the beat so tranquil, you know that I'm not feeling tense, I'm feeling flowing like the river. Make you know that give thanks to the life giver. At the same time I gotta give thanks for my mother, my little sister. What you talking about, my brother? Yeah, cause we big up one another. You don't know that that's how we all link up and we all do this shit together. Cause you don't know that there is no other. I wanna make it big, big, I don't give a frig. And spin around like a top, floating like a gig. You know that this music is so tranquil. This is how you know that we make new albums. Get built off the verbal diarrhea, you know, off the verbal skill. Remember Jack and Jill did go up the hill, but it was me still. They never told the story truth. They never told how I plant a seed and get a fruit. Yeah, bless.